So this happened last year, and it still blows my mind. I applied for a new apartment and got denied instantly, and the leasing office told me something was off with my credit. I pulled my report and found out one of the credit bureaus had literally marked me as deceased, as in dead. No credit score, no credit history, just a little note next to my name that basically said, "This consumer is deceased. No further activity expected." I called the bureau thinking it was a glitch. Nope. They were very serious. They actually told me they couldn't speak to me directly because, quote, "We can't verify identity on behalf of someone who is deceased." So I said, "You're speaking to me now. I'm literally alive. Like, breathing." Nope, didn't matter. I had to send a notarized letter, a copy of my driver's license, a selfie holding my passport, and a signed statement from my doctor verifying I was not dead. The kicker? They flagged me as dead because a bank I had closed an account with sent a death notification. About the wrong person. Same name, different middle initial. Took 6 weeks to fix. In the meantime, I couldn't get an apartment, a car loan, or even a new phone plan. I had to explain to like 4 different people in person that I was not a ghost.
So that's absolutely a real problem that we've seen. Typically, you'll see it on a given trade line. A creditor will report on that trade line that they've closed the account out, and it's not closed by consumer, closed by credit grantor, it's closed consumer deceased. Yeah, it can prevent you from getting credit. You think it would be easy to prove. Unfortunately, it is a little difficult to prove. It stems from a mixed credit file.
The Social Security Administration's Inspector General reported that about 1,000 people every month are wrongly added to the government's official death list. That's nearly 12,000 living people a year marked as deceased. And those errors spill over into credit reports, leaving people with a deceased flag on their file.
Mixed files happen when someone else's credit information gets added to your report, usually because you share a similar name, address, or social security number.
2 different people merged together.
Very similar information, and the credit bureau gets it wrong, or sometimes maybe it's not the credit bureau's fault. It's the creditor typed it in wrong, right? They spelled your name wrong, or they put your social in wrong, and that actually matches to your real information. It's someone else's information misspelled, but it actually matches you, and that results in this mixed
Now,
violation.
this is something that your firm, for our clients, they do for free, right?
Yeah, that's part of our process. So we'll review not only for that error, which would be a big one, but for anything else on the reports.
Merged credit files are a big deal. We see it all the time, but they're easily fixed. These are the type of errors that need to be fixed. A lot of people think an error on the credit report is like a late payment or bankruptcy. But if you had the late payment, had a bankruptcy, that's not the error. These are the errors that need to be fixed. And when you get fixed, we can have huge jumps in credit score.
Whether they're saying you've died or have a different type of credit dispute. See the link below with resources on fixing credit report errors for free.